The lawn mower is a tool that is used to cut grass and maintain lawns. It was first invented in the 1800s and has since become a ubiquitous tool for homeowners and landscapers around the world. Here are some ways that the lawn mower has changed the world. Improved landscaping. Lawn mowers have made it much easier and faster to maintain lawns and other green spaces, which has led to more attractive and well-kept outdoor areas. Increased safety. Prior to the invention of the lawn mower, people often used animals or hand tools to maintain lawns, which could be dangerous and time-consuming. Lawn mowers have made the task safer and more efficient. Enabled outdoor recreation. The availability of well-maintained lawns and other outdoor spaces has made it easier for people to engage in outdoor recreation activities such as picnicking and sports. Boosted the economy. Lawn mowers and the maintenance of lawns and green spaces have become a significant industry, providing jobs and economic benefits. Despite these benefits, there are still ways in which the lawn mower can be improved. Some potential improvements include reduced environmental impact. Gas-powered lawn mowers can be noisy and polluting, and electric mowers require an electrical outlet or battery. Developing more sustainable and environmentally friendly lawn mowers could reduce their impact on the environment. Improved safety features. Lawn mowers can be dangerous if not used correctly, and injuries are not uncommon. Improving safety features, such as automatic shut-off when the machine is ticked or collision sensors, could reduce the risk of injury. Enhanced functionality. Lawn mowers can be heavy and difficult to maneuver, particularly in tight spaces or on hills. Developing lighter, more maneuverable models could make the task of lawn maintenance easier and more efficient. Better integration with other technologies. Integrating lawn mowers with other home automation systems, such as smart irrigation or weather monitoring systems, could increase their functionality and efficiency. Overall, the lawn mower has had a significant impact on the world, and it remains an essential tool for maintaining outdoor spaces. As with any technology, there is always room for improvement, and advances in lawn mower technology could lead to even greater benefits in the future.